Proposals Overview. Proposals in TaxDome help you enhance your brand, protect your business with clear terms, and make getting paid easy with invoicing and automatic payment options. For your clients, the process is smooth and hassle-free. As soon as you send a proposal, they receive an email and a notification in their portal and mobile app. With just one click, they can review the proposal, securely authorize payment, and e-sign it, all within minutes. Once completed, they receive an instant confirmation, making the entire process fast, easy, and convenient. Before creating a proposal, there are a few important things to keep in mind to ensure a seamless experience for both you and your client. If you want to accept automatic payments directly through the proposal, make sure Stripe is set as your default payment provider. Currently, it's the only option supported for this feature. To save on transaction fees, you can enable bank debit payments for your clients by activating your preferred payment method in Stripe and then allowing bank debits in TaxDome. Taking care of these details up front ensures everything flows smoothly when it's time to send your proposal. If you want to speed up the proposal creation process, you can use templates instead of starting from scratch every time. We recommend setting up a general template with key information about your firm and standard terms. You can always add specific invoices or services later. If you frequently send similar proposals to different types of clients, it's a good idea to create multiple templates. This way, everything is ready to go, and proposals can be sent automatically with all the right details in place. Once your proposal is ready, you'll find it under the Proposals and Engagement Letters page in the Billing section. From there, you can easily check its status, whether it's been signed or if any invoices have been paid. Need a copy? You can download the proposal as a PDF anytime. If the proposal is signed, you can quickly create an invoice from the listed services. If it hasn't been signed yet, you're free to make changes, adjust the number of planned invoices, update services, tweak the terms, and more.